Hello everyone, welcome. In this video we're going to do a quick unboxing of this package that arrived yesterday. I made a purchase on eBay a few days ago. I was looking for some retro computers, something to work on. This item popped up, and this looked like an interesting thing to cover. Alright, and there we go. This is a Compaq system board TPN 10-01. This is a board from the early 2000s that, near as I can tell, and there's not a lot of information online about it, just listings of it, it appears to be the system board for point of sales computers from the time. For the I/O here, we have most of our standards, our PS2, audio, Ethernet, parallel, and VGA. But this one is interesting. This one is for a touchscreen monitor, an old school touchscreen monitor. This board has a VIA chipset, 2 PCI slots, 2 ISA slots over here, your IDE channels, floppy connectors, uses PCI 100 SD RAM with the I think it's 168 pin. It doesn't say how much RAM is on there. Nope. But it's PCI 100 RAM, and it also has an AMD K6 processor. This is a Super Socket 7 CPU slot. It also has an ATI 3D Rage LT Pro AGP, it says here. So it's got a video card built onto the chip. That's cool. This looks like a memory slot for memory sticks you'd put in a laptop. So I'm curious to see if I have anything that'll fit that. Let's go ahead and get this. I want to get this. There we see heat sink off of there. Yep, looks like it is a AMD K6-2 350 megahertz processor. This board also has AT power connections, not the standard ATX that you find nowadays. So I'm going to have to source something to put power to this. So unfortunately I can't do that in this video. We also have a few other miscellaneous connections here on the front. Don't know what those are for. Finding the manual for this board has been tricky. I ordered this a few days ago, Wednesday I believe, today is Saturday. Here's the part numbers. 329089-001 for the Compaq number over here. But I'm happy to have this. This is a board I'm going to play around with as soon as I can, because I do enjoy these late 90s, early 2000s boards, and this one built for a specific purpose, being made for point of sales machines. I'd be interested in seeing what it can do outside of such a purpose. Well, there it is. This Compaq system board from the early 2000s. I'm going to need to find or make up a test bench setup to put this on. And I have an adapter coming for this AT power connector. I'm going to keep scrounging around to try to find a manual for it. I would like to have some actual specifications on this board to see max memory speed, compatible CPUs, what this slot is for. There's some extra connectors here, not entirely sure. I mean, IDE and floppy I know, and I would love to find out what I can do with this port, if anything. But hey, thanks for watching this quick unboxing video of one of my new toys. Hopefully we'll see this in a future video once I get it up and running. Have a good one.